The Girl Scouts, ready. And lights, camera, action.
If you read, read Richard 905-2. If you read, read Richard 905-2. If you read, read Richard 905-2. If you read, it will make the world a better place.
And we'll hold the applause for the end, so we'll clear this. Remember, we're on deck, so go ahead and transition. And as soon as you're set, go ahead.
Every day kids feel left out because their friends know how to read and they don't. This is easy. This is hard.
Transition, scene 2.
Until Troop 9052 came to the rescue. Would you guys like some books? Took the children to the library to pick out 2 of their favorite books. This is really good. Look, there's color on some page and some color on no page. I like the ones with the colors best. Yes. I like this because it's got a pretty butterfly. This is really good. Cheese.
Transition to our last scene. All girls stand up on stage, leaving their props.
Join Troop 9052 Study Readers to help kids love reading. You will be happy helping them with confidence. Reading is awesome.
Ladies, stand shoulder to shoulder across center stage. Yep, shoulder to shoulder. Make sure you can be seen. And go ahead and take your bow.